Hello, this is Steve, and I warmly welcome you to our Digital Marketing and Entrepreneurship Training Program. We are very happy to see that you are interested in our Digital Marketing and Entrepreneurship Training Program. Actually, this program is going to help you to acquire some digital marketing knowledge and also entrepreneurship knowledge to start your own business and also scale it up. This training is going to help you, even if you don't have a laptop, you can just use your phone to start something profitable online and also scale it up. So we know that you've seen some of the topics that we're going to discuss during this course. Let me briefly show you a gist of the topics that we are going to study in this program. When you check the course outline, you see that this training is fully packed because exactly 9 a.m. on a Saturday, the course will begin, and that is going to help us to understand what we mean when we talk about entrepreneurship or someone who is an entrepreneur. How to start your own business, the legal way, how to register the business, and all that. Those are going to be discussed on Saturday. And after that, there's going to be a graphic design session whereby we show you how to design professional flyers, logos, and other important designs, and you can sell these designs out to companies and individuals who need them. Aside that, we will dive into the digital marketing aspect. We will understand what digital marketing is, Facebook marketing, YouTube marketing, Instagram marketing, and WhatsApp business, how to use it to help grow your business. And with the most important part, how to find a remote job for an extra income will be discussed to end Saturday's program. On Sunday, exactly 1 o'clock p.m., we are going to discuss about video editing. You are going to learn how to use your phone to edit videos, sell videos to companies and individuals. And after that, we are going to discuss about website designing. So if you look at Rapid Entrepreneurs website, Rapid Online Courses, any type of website, whether a travel and tour website, whether a real estate website, what have you, we are going to teach you how to do that. And at the end of the day, there's going to be awarding of certificate to all participants who are going to join, both online and also those who will be joining from Adum, from the SSNIT Conference Hall. So this means that this digital marketing and entrepreneurship training program that Rapid Entrepreneurs is bringing to your doorstep is something that you shouldn't miss. Whether you're a student, you've completed school, you don't have a job, or you even have your own business and you want to scale it up, this course is exactly for you. And as you know, the price is very cool, 350 Ghana cedis. So we hope you are going to join this course. But the question is, how do you enroll? How do you join the program? It's very, very simple. Let's dive in and let me show you how to do that. For you to enroll in the Digital Marketing and Entrepreneurship Training Program, all you need to do is to just visit rapidonlinecourses.com, as you can see from the screen, or you visit rapidentrepreneurs.com. So when you visit the rapidentrepreneurs.com, you see this, you just click I want to join. It is going to redirect you to the rapidonlinecourses.com, as we've already mentioned. So if you're already on the rapidonlinecourses.com, that is fine. So when you get here, it's very, very easy. You can watch a video, just click on it. You can watch this video about the course. If not, you can just click on apply now, and then it takes you to the registration page where you can enter your name. Let's say my name is Steve, and then my location is Kumasi, and then my phone number, let me use a random number, 02455555555. So let's say this is my phone number, and then your email. Let's say my email is stevetoti1@gmail.com. So physical or virtual, so this is how you want to join. So if you can come to Kumasi Adum, you can just click on I want to join physically at Adum Kumasi. If you want to join online, you just click that option. After that, just click on register now. Immediately you register, you're going to receive an email message. That is very, very important. So it's going to redirect you to the course page. This is very professional. It's going to redirect you to the course page for you to view the course and also see all the details about the course. So you can click on show more, and then you can read in details what you're going to learn during this particular course. The time, the venue, and everything has been neatly arranged here. What you are also going to expect during the course, the welcome address, and also the live training videos. This is one thing that sets our course different from the others. Whether you are joining online or you come to Adum Kumasi, you still have to register on this platform. And this is a lifetime registration. Anytime you want to rewatch the videos during the live presentation, you just log into your account, and then you click on this one, then you see Saturday training video, Sunday training video. It's always with you. So you cannot forget anything. You don't need to bring your pen drive to get the videos. No, it's inside your portal. It's inside your dashboard. So anytime you visit your dashboard, you can have access to the course. So this is very, very unique. This is a very important opportunity for you to jump in. So after you've read through, just click on Enroll Now. If you click on Enroll Now, if you have an account, you can log in with your username and password. But if you don't have an account, just click on Register Now. So this is going to register you on the Rapid Online Courses platform. Very simple to do. Let me do that. So my name is Steve. My last name is Totti. And my username, let's say my username is Steve Totti. So with the username, don't separate it. If you are Kweku Menu, you can say Kweku Menu, K Menu, whatever you want to use. I'll enter my password, stevetotti1@gmail.com, and then my password. Make sure you use a strong password so that no one can access your account. This is a secured account. You just click on register after you filled in your details. So immediately you click on register, it's going to take you to your dashboard where you were doing the course. So you see now, hello, Steve Totti, my name is here, meaning that I've logged into my account now. So whatever I'm going to do here will be added to my account. So I'll just click on Enroll Now. You can still look at the course overview and everything. And then after you are satisfied, you click on Enroll Now. It's very simple to do. It's going to take you to the payment option. If you have a coupon code, you enter the coupon code here. If you don't have a coupon code, just proceed to checkout. Then you pay your 350 cedis. Rapid Entrepreneurs have given me a coupon code, Rapid90, which is a 90% discount code. So I'm going to use that. So if you don't want to pay online, you can just send your money to Rapid Entrepreneurs through our company WhatsApp number. And then we give you a coupon code. Then you use the coupon code to enroll. You're not going to pay any money. So now that I have a 90% coupon code, you see now I'm going to pay only 35 Ghana cedis. So that is how it is. So let me proceed to check out. I'm doing this because of the purpose of this training, so that you also know how to purchase the course or join the course. So let me write my first name. My first name is Steve. My last name is Totti. My company name, this is optional, but I can write Rapid Entrepreneurs. And then the country is Ghana. My street address, let's say Kumasi. Apartment is optional, I will not enter. The town is Tanoso, where we have our office. And the state is Ashanti. The zip code, always use 00233 for your zip code when you've been asked. WhatsApp number, I'm going to use my WhatsApp number. The reason why I'm going to use my WhatsApp number is that I'm going to receive a WhatsApp message. I'll show everything to you, and then you see how it looks like. The email address is already there. As I'm saying, if you have any options, you can just write it here. I am joining your program, something like that. Or you can leave it. This is optional. It's not a mandatory. You just click, I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions. You are going to pay through mobile money, Visa card, or Voda Cash, or Airtel Tigo, or you can use your credit card. So let me show you how we do that. Complete payment. I don't want to save my details, so I will just say no thanks. And then it brings me to the checkout page. As you can see, a pop-up is going to come up. Now it is asking me that what option do I want to use? Do I want to pay with mobile money or credit card? If I want to pay with credit card, I'll just enter the card details, the expiry, the CVV, and then I'll pay 35 cedis. If I want to pay with mobile money, I just enter my mobile money number. So let me do that. This is MTN, so it has already detected it. So let me click on confirm. It's going to send a message on your MTN phone so that you can just enter your PIN number. So this is very, very professional and very, very unique. So now I have received my message here. I'm going to authorize it in real time so that you see how it looks like. I have authorized it, so yes. Very good. So now you see payment successful. It has now paid the 35 Ghana cedis from my mobile money account. So everything is just professional, everything is instant. And interestingly, if you want to create a system like this, we are going to train you on that during the program, during the website designing aspect. You're going to learn how we automate all these things, how you add payment option to your, if you want to create e-commerce website where you sell things, how you add all these payment options. Everything is included in the video. And you're also going to love it a lot. You can't trade this with any other thing. If only you want to grow your business or start something profitable, this is something you have to join. So after you have paid your money successfully, you see that it has enrolled me into the course. So I can just start learning. I click on start learning, and then it takes me to the course area where I can watch the overview video. So the overview video is going to appear here. I'll just click on play, and then it's going to play. So this is something unique. It's very simple to join our course. Very, very simple. So this is how you are going to join the online course. I told you that you are going to receive a WhatsApp message. You're also going to receive series of emails. So let me just check my email account. So as you can see from here, we have received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 messages from the registration process. You have to check each of the messages. So the first message says, "Dear Steve, the entire team at Rapid Entrepreneurs are happy to see you are interested in joining, blah, blah, blah." So everything here, please take your time, read them, and then please join the WhatsApp group. This is the WhatsApp group we've created purposely for this course. So you can only join this when you've registered. So if you've not registered too, you can just click on this link and then you register. The most important thing is that you also see all the details that you sent. So you see your name, Steve, your email, your location, your phone number, and then your mode of participation. Everything has been entered here. As I told you, this will be studied as part of the course. We train you on how to do these automations. It's very, very unique, simple. And also, let's open the next. "Hi Steve, welcome to affiliate program." So when you enroll in Rapid Online Courses program, probably some of you don't know about affiliate. It's part of the course. So you can just share the link of this course. Whoever register with your link, you get a commission. Whether you know the person or not, you're going to get your commission. So this is a very big opportunity for you. You can make thousands of CDs from this commission-based sharing of the courses. So later on during the course, we are going to train you more on this. Let's check other emails. So this one is this is the receipt that we have received from Paystack. I mean the payment that we did. So they've given us our transaction reference ID, the date we made the purchase, the mobile money number, and then the receipt number. So when you want to contact Rapid Entrepreneurs to make a proof that you've paid your amount, you just send this screenshot to them and then they know that you've made your payment. It's very, very simple. Let's go and see the next one. So now, thanks for enrolling in the course. So now, enrollment successful. So as you can see, everything is unique. You see the image of the course you just enrolled, and then the amount, 350 cedis, but we pay only the discounted price, which is the 35 cedis. So that is how it is. You see all the details we wrote. I am joining your program. Everything is neatly arranged here. Let's go back. And then the last one, you have successfully enrolled. So this one too is another message that we received from Rapid Entrepreneurs. So there's no doubt that this process is very unique, that if you join this program with this 350 Ghana cedis, this is something that you're going to really benefit from. I don't think you can get any other course, a detailed course at this price here in Ghana. Our main purpose is to help you start a profitable business and then scale it up to reach more potential clients. So the last thing that I'm going to do now is to show you the WhatsApp message that we received. So let me go to my WhatsApp area. So I told you that we have received a WhatsApp message. So let me just visit my WhatsApp and then let me show you the message we just received. So as you can see from here, hello Steve, we are happy to let you know that you have successfully enrolled in the Digital Marketing and Entrepreneurship Training live event, and we are very excited to have you with us. So you see that all these details, you need to use your correct WhatsApp number so that you can receive this WhatsApp message. So if you want to reply to this, you just click on this particular message and then this particular link, and it's going to take you to our WhatsApp business account. If you want to call us, just click on your phone this link. If you want to visit the website, just click on this. So everything is automated. As I told you, all these, we use automation tools, and all these are going to be discussed during the course. Whatever program you're doing, you can use this approach to reach your potential client. When someone buys something from you, you can just send a specific message to that particular person, or even sell other services to the person. So this is a very unique opportunity you can't miss. So I hope this training has really helped you to know how to enroll in the course. So without wasting much time, just go straight to the point and just enroll. So one thing that I wanted to mention is that after you create your account, just go to your dashboard and then you click here to set your profile photo. So you can add your own picture. It's very, very important. Each student should upload your profile photo here and also upload your cover photo so that it makes your interface very professional. Also, the skill that you have, you can enter it here. Your bio data, any information about yourself, you can enter it here, and then you update your profile. Yeah, so this is very professional, and we are looking forward to see you. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and let me meet you in class.